Welcome to MasterChem Academy. In this session, you are going to learn Wittig reaction. Okay, important reaction for the conversion of keto group to olefinic group. Okay, so this is keto or aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde or keto group to olefinic linkage. Okay, so for this conversion, Wittig reaction is very important. Okay, aldehydes or ketones, whether they may be aliphatic or aromatic. Okay, aliphatic or aromatic, aldehyde or ketone with triphenyl phosphine alkylidins. Okay, so this is important here. Triphenyl phosphine alkylidins, they give alkylins. So what are triphenyl phosphine alkylidins? So this is triphenyl, C6H5 taken thrice, that means it is triphenyl. So phosphine alkylidins. So this carbon is only single carbon, that's why it is methylene. Okay, so triphenyl phosphine methylene. Okay, so when it is reacted with aromatic or aliphatic carbonyl compound, so one for the example is benzophenone. So what is the structure of benzophenone? C6H5, C double bond O, C6H5. This is benzophenone. Okay, with benzophenone reaction with triphenyl phosphine methylene, what it gives? Corresponding alkene. So what it is? 1,1-diphenyl ethylene. 1,1-diphenyl ethylene. Okay, this. Okay, how it is converted? This oxygen is now converted as C double bond CH2. Okay, whenever you need conversion of C double bond O2, so olefinic linkage. So olefinic linkage, that is what it is, what you can do, what you can use, Wittig reaction. So what is the reagent here? Triphenyl phosphine alkylidins. So by using here triphenyl phosphine alkylidins, okay, so we can convert a keto group into keto or aldehyde group into olefinic linkage. Okay, so what happened here? C6H5 taken twice, C double bond CH2. So this double bond O, this oxygen is replaced with CH2. Just replace this oxygen with CH2. Okay, so what is that? 1,1-diphenyl ethylene, 1,1-diphenyl ethylene plus, and the remaining is C6H5 taken thrice, P double bond O. Okay, so just replace oxygen with CH2. Okay, so now this is triphenyl phosphine oxide. What it is? Triphenyl phosphine oxide. So here, how to prepare this triphenyl phosphine methylene? How to prepare this triphenyl phosphine methylene? What is that? So this is triphenyl phosphine, C6H5 taken thrice, P. So this is triphenyl phosphide. So this acts as a nucleophile. And with alkyl halide, example methyl bromide. Okay, so as it is electron rich, okay, it is having one lone pair, okay, electron rich. So due to this more electronegativity, bromine gets negative charge because it pulls electrons towards it. That's why it gets, carbon gets positive charge, partially positive charge. That's why it is here electron richness is there, here electron deficiency is there. That's why, so these electrons transfer to this carbon. So that's why, so here due to the loss of electron, phosphorus gets negative charge. Due to the gaining of electron, Br gets negative charge. Okay, there is a bond formed between phosphorus and this carbon. Okay, this on C6H5 Li. Okay, so phenyl lithium or sodium ethoxide, C2H5ONa. So what happens here? So this converts as C6H5 taken thrice, P double bond CH2. So how it is? C6H5 taken thrice. So it is phosphorus has positive charge. Okay, now CH2H, Br minus. Okay, Br minus. So due to this, okay, there is a bond formed between this phosphorus and CH2, between these two. Okay, CH2, CHH. CH2H. Okay, so already bromine as Br minus. Okay, now so to neutralize this positive charge, this delocalization takes place in this way and leads to the formation of P double bond CH2. Okay, double bond. Okay, olefinic linkage. So now plus this Br minus with lithium LiBr and remaining C6H6. Okay, C6H5 with this hydrogen. So it become as C6H6. So this is Wittig reaction. So here in your examination, if you get any aldehyde or carbonyl, okay, so example C6H5CHO, if it is given like this. So first what is that? Triphenyl phosphine methylene, okay. So what is that? C6H5 CH double bond CH2. Okay, just replace the CH double bond O with oxygen with CH2. Just replace that. So that is blindly you can write the product so as like this. Okay, for any given compound, just replace oxygen with CH2 group. Okay, that will be the Wittig product. So here, so if in examination in a complicated manner, if it is given like this, CH3Br, first triphenyl phosphine, C6H5 taken thrice, phosphine, and second one C6H5 lithium, and third one it is C6H5 CO C6H5. What is the product? Now we know that Wittig conversion is keto to olefinic linkage, but here what is given here? So alkyl halide is given, but if you know the concept, so you can go for application of this. So what is that? First alkyl halide with triphenyl phosphine. What you will get finally with the C6H5Li followed by reaction with the C6H5Li. What is the final product? What you will get? Triphenyl phosphine alkylidene. Okay, so now by these two steps, by these three, so what you will get? Triphenyl phosphine. By these three, so what you will get? Triphenyl phosphine. And what is the third one? This is given. Okay, C6H5CO C6H5. So what is the reaction? So now C6H5 taken twice, C double bond CH2. So this one is the product. Okay, so to confuse the reaction path, okay, in JEE mains or advanced, so you have to application type of is very important. Okay, application type of study is very important. So to solve any conversion of organic compounds. So here one more important point is here, this is SN2 reaction. Why it is SN2 reaction? It is primary alkyl halide. That's why reactivity also we know that SN2 reactions primary alkyl halide is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary. Okay, SN2, for SN2 reactivity order of alkyl halides is primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary alkyl halides. So here what is SN2 reaction? So nucleophilic addition, so here nucleophilic substitution, it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution takes place, leaving group, Br minus is leaving group. Okay, nucleophile substitution and removal of leaving group takes place simultaneously. Okay, that is reaction, that is called SN2 reaction. Okay, so this is important point, SN2 reaction and reactivity order, and what is nucleophile, what is leaving group. What is nucleophile? Triphenyl phosphine. What is leaving group? Br minus. And what is the reactivity order of alkyl halides? Just like SN2, so it follows primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary alkyl halides. Okay, this is the end of Wittig reaction. Thank you.